to show you some parts that I ordered here. They came in very affordable and pretty much comparative. So this Mercedes I'm working on, they use electric fuel pumps that look like this. This one uses two. They're down under here by the gas tank, and a filtration system, and also a regulator. Kind of looks like this. So there's your fuel filter, there's your pressure regulator, and then in here goes your fuel pump. Mine on this one has two fuel pumps. So what I was able to do, once I got it disassembled, the originals are Bosch, look like that. Replacements, pretty much identical in diameter. You also get this valve that goes bad right here. It comes with it. And on Mercedes, your negative is a little smaller than your positive. And if you need it, you get the little rubber boots, which I know a lot of people are like, they want to replace those rubber boots. You also get your washers. They're in there. If you want to use your old brass ones from your factory one, you could probably reuse those, and some electrical connectors. I was able to do a 2-pack because I got two fuel pumps, all for one money. And then, of course, I ordered the filter. That's pretty basic. And they even make a line. You can buy a brand new line that goes from your fuel filter up into your tank. So if yours is bad, you can get this line. It looks just like this with the pressure compressed fitting on it and everything. So just wanted to show you a few products that are making my job on this Mercedes a lot easier. I'm not too concerned about these being OEM. They do match the specs for output, so good enough for me.